Today we are going to see how I wrote a code in Python to make a quiz using Tkinter. Hello to all you beautiful creatures out there. I am Aadya Mishra studying in class 11 in DPS RK So without further ado, let's see the code. Here I have made a JSON file in which we have a dictionary which shows the questions, its answers and the options that are to be displayed. And here in the main file, I've imported the JSON file that we previously saw. The functions here are made to display results, buttons, options, etc., which is all inside a class. Here is the whole code. You can see for yourself that all the functions here are made to display the buttons, the questions, the title, etc., and the radio button as well. Now let's run the code. We know that's Agra. That would be 206. I have no idea. Let's guess. That would be Jaipur. That would be Vatican City. That would be let's solve 2 and mitochondria. That would be 22 times 7, 154. Here we can see the score. I got 1 wrong, 7 correct, and my score is 87%. Now the real question is, how is it useful in real life? We know that quizzing improves the aptitude of a person. As this project is a GUI, it can be used by teachers in school, by students for practicing, etc. By taking quizzes, students self-predict their knowledge and have an opportunity to chart down their growth path. That's it from my side. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day ahead.